With recent Windows 11 update, Microsoft has started updating Paint, Clipchamp, Snipping Tool, and Photos app with new AI functions. Microsoft Paint Cocreator creates AI images with OpenAI Dall-E. Layers in Microsoft Paint work like in Adobe Photoshop. Microsoft has added AI functionality to its Snipping tool. Clipchamp has an option to create a video with AI. Photos app have a button to use AI to blur the background of an image. Let's take a look at how to use these AI features in each app. Search for and open the Microsoft Paint app on your Windows 11 PC. Now click on that Co-Creator button to open up the image generator. Now to generate an image using AI, write your prompt and choose a style. Next, click Create to generate your image. Microsoft Paint app also added the Layers option. This is super useful to work on an image. Also, there is a background remover tool. You can remove the background from an image with just a simple click. The Snipping tool is one of the most useful in Windows 11. Now Microsoft has added AI functionality to its Snipping tool. In addition to capture screenshots and screen recording, Snipping tool now allows you to select and copy text from the portion of the screen that you screenshot. It can also automatically redact sensitive information such as email addresses or redact text that you manually select. Microsoft's new Auto Compose feature in Clipchamp uses AI to create montages and short videos with the media you feed into it. Launch Clipchamp and click Create a video with AI. Upload media for your video by clicking inside or dragging and dropping media files into the zone. Select thumbs up or thumbs down for different styles, depending on your preference. Choose a video length and whether you want the video to be landscape or portrait. Next, choose which music you'd like to play in the background of your video. If you're happy with the video, press Export to save, or click on Edit with the timeline to make changes before export the video. In addition, you can enhance your video with AI options including a text-to-speech voiceover feature and automatically generated subtitles. The Speaker Coach tool aims to provide you with real-time feedback on your camera recordings to help improve your speaking skills and video presentations. Microsoft also added AI functionality into its Photos app that allows you to blur the background of images. To use background blur, first select the image you want to use and open it in the Photos app. Click on Edit Image at the top of the screen and select Background Blur. It uses AI to detect the background area, but you can manually adjust this with the brush tool and adjust the intensity of the background blur with the slider. To use these features, ensure running the latest Windows 11 version 2.3H2 or later, and the latest Windows updates installed. Thank you for watching.